Okay, guys. So we'll start with the questions. There's just one change from the regular pattern that you'll see in the exams is that we'll not focus on any of the options. So none of the options will be visible to you in any of the questions. And the reason is that we want you to understand how to attempt these questions rather than finding some kind of a trick because that might backfire in the real exam. So here we have the question. How many possible values of n are there if n plus 2, n plus 4 are prime numbers? Okay. So obviously most of you would just kick these numbers that, okay, yeah, this is one possible solution. But the question is, how many values of n? So in this case, n has the value of 2. But is there any other possible value of this or not? Right? So to figure out that particular part, we'll use one of the properties of the prime numbers, that the structure for any prime number other than 2 and 3 is m plus minus 1. Okay. Any prime number that you get will be of this format except 2 and 3. And it's not necessary that all the numbers in this particular format will be prime numbers. Okay. So whatever prime number these are, they will be of one of these forms. So let's say that n is 6m plus 1 or 6m minus 1. Okay. So the plus 2 and plus 4 will give me 6m plus 3, 6m plus 5. And here, if it's the minus 1, then it will give me 6m plus 1 and 6m plus 3. In both the scenarios, there's one single problem is that if these numbers are prime, this factor is divisible by 3, regardless of the value of m, as well as this one. Okay. So what we have here is that regardless of what value m takes, we will not have these three as prime, except when this rule doesn't follow. That is, if my prime numbers is this set. So the number of possible values of n is 1. So other than n equals to 2, these three numbers will never be prime. So the solution is 1. There's only one value of n for which these three will be prime. So just remember that this is the structure. The important part here is this property. You can use it for these kind of questions. Just remember one thing. Except for 2 and 3, this is the structure of prime number, but it doesn't mean that if a number is in this format, it will be a prime number. So it's one directional. If it is prime, it will be of structure 6m plus minus 1. But 6m plus minus 1 doesn't mean that it will be prime. Okay, that's the important thing that you need to remember from this.